Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Infoline. Today we are going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Information and Communication Technology Paper 2 Document Production for the year May-June 2021. Now these are some required source file. I have required source file here. Now come on task 1 evidence document, open the file evidence.rtf. Now we open a source file evidence.rtf. Here is evidence.rts source file. Click enter. Make sure that your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page of this document. Now we enter a name, center number and candidate number in the header of this document. Click insert, go to header, select blank 3 columns. Enter a name, then center number, then candidate number. After this, close the header. Save this document in your work area as J2122 evidence followed by your candidate number. For example, J2221 evidence 9999. Now click on File, go to Save As, click on Browser. Here is already entered J2122 evidence. Now we enter our candidate number 9999. Then we select a suitable software. We select a Word document. Then click on Save. Now come on task 2 document. You are going to edit a review document. A corporate house style must be used. Two paragraph style must have already been created and additional paragraph must be created and applied to the document as instructed. Open the file multi.rtf. Now we open a file multi.rtf. Here is multi.rtf file. Click enter. Set the top, bottom, left and right margin to 2 centimeter. Now we set the top, bottom, left and right margin up to 2 centimeter. Click on layout, margin, custom margin. Here top is 2 centimeter. Bottom also 2 centimeter. Left give also 2 centimeter. And right also give 2 centimeter. The page setup is set to A4 portrait orientation. Do not make any change to these settings. The MS body style have been created, stored and applied to the body text in the document. Do not make any change to these settings. Evidence 1. Take a screenshot to show the margin setting. Place this in your evidence document. Now we take a screenshot to page setup margin modification. For evidence, take a screenshot, then give OK. Open a evidence file, and this is our step 1 evidence. Now come on step 2. Save the document in your work area in the format of the software you are using with the file name review. Now we save the file multi.rtf with the name MS Review. Click on File, Go to save as, click on browser. Enter here MS Review. Then we select a suitable software. We select Word document. Then click on save. Evidence to place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this file has been saved. Make sure that there is evidence for the file type. Now we take a screenshot for evidence to show that the MS review file has been saved. We take a screenshot. This is our step 2 evidence. Enter here. Now come on step 3. Place in the header the text created by followed by a space and your name, center number and candidate number left aligned. Place in the footer automated page number right aligned. Now we open a file MS Review. Click on insert, go to header, select blank 3 columns. In the left margin, left aligned, enter here created by, then followed by space, name, center number, then candidate number. After this, close the header. Then close the header. Place in the footer automated page number right aligned. Now we place a automated page number in the footer. Click insert, go to footer, select blank 3 columns. Remove left align, remove middle align. Enter in right aligned automated page number. Click on page number, current position, plain number. Then close the footer. Make sure that all alignment match the page margin. No other text or placeholder are included in the header and footer area. Header and footer are displayed on all pages. Now we now we check the all alignment match the page margin and all information are visible on every page of this document. Here is all information are applied in correct way. Now come on step 4. Create and store the following style basing basing it on the default paragraph style MS subhead style name. Now we made a style. Create a style name, check a name first, MS subhead. Now we enter a name MS subhead. Click on modify. Font style sans serif. Font size 18, alignment center. Serif means Arial. Size should be 18. It should be center. Enhancement bold and italic. Line spacing single, spacing before 0, spacing after 9. Bold and italic. Click on format, paragraph, single, spacing before 0, spacing after 9. Sorry, bold and underline. This is bold and underline. Evidence 3. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show that the file setting have been defined for the MS subhead style. Make sure that this style is based on the default paragraph style. It should be do in style based on normal. Now we take a screenshot to show as evidence. This is our step 3 evidence. Then give OK. Now come on evidence file. This is our step 4 evidence and evidence number 3. Now come on step 5. At the start of the document enter the title multi-sport review. Now we enter the starting of this document, the heading multi-sports review. The style name MS title has already been created and stored. Modify the MS title style so only the following formatting is applied. Now we modify the MS title style. Click on modify. Look, font should be serif. Font size 18. Alignment center. Serif means Times New Roman. Size should be 18. It is a alignment is center. Bold and italic. Single line spacing. Spacing before 0, spacing after 0. Bold and italic. Remove the underline. Format paragraph. Space line spacing 0. Spacing before 0 and after also 0. Step 4. Evidence. Place in your evidence document a screenshot for of these style setting for the MS title style. Now we take a screenshot to show this as evidence number 4. Give OK. Give OK. Open a evidence file. This is our step 6 evidence and evidence 4. Apply the apply the amendment MS style for the title text entered at step 5. Now we enter the and now we apply the style MS title on the on this title multi-sport review, which we entered in step 5. Now step 8, locate and remove the paragraph. Triathlon is an endurance contest to talking up to sport. Now we find this document first. So now open a file, do Control F, find this paragraph, find this paragraph. Triathlon is an evidence contest to talk up the sport. So that it appear as a new paragraph amended after the subheading triathlon. Now we remove here to here is the triathlon subheading. Enter here as a new paragraph. Now come on step 9. Change the page layout so that the subheading general participation and all following text is displayed in two columns of equal width with a 1 centimeter spacing between the columns. Now we select the paragraph up to general participation from at the last. Up to at the last. Click on insert, go to, click on layout, columns, more columns. Here is two columns, spacing up to 1 centimeter. Width is equal, then give OK. Apply square bullet to the text from warmer winter to avalanche and landslide. Now we applied a bullets to the text from. Now we select a bullets winter warmer to avalanche landslide. Home. Here is a square bullets. Make sure that bullets are aligned at the left margin. Right click, paragraph, left margin do should be 0. Give OK. The list is in single line spacing with no spacing before or after each line. Right click, click on paragraph. Do before is 0 and after is also do 0. Then give OK. There is a 6-point spacing after the last item in this list. Now we give after the last item up to 6 point space. Paragraph spacing after the paragraph up to 6 point. Give OK. Step 11. Identify the 5 subheading in the document and apply the MS subhead style to each one. Now we here is the first heading, apply the MS Subhead style. Second is duathlon, apply the MS Subhead style. Here is triathlon, apply the MS Subhead style. And aquathlon also applied the MS Subhead style. And also the at the last winter triathlon also the apply MS Saved style. Here is the five subheading which we applied MS Saved style. Now come on step 12, using the data in the file J2122 compare.csv, create a vertical bar chart to compare entire by the gender for only the category that contain duathlon or triathlon. Now we open a compare CSV file, click enter, adjust this, select the up to duathlon, to triathlon. Click on insert bar graph, vertical bar chart. Label the chart with the title comparison of participation. Now we label the bar chart with the chart title comparison for participation. Display the following percentage numbers only as data label along the top of each bar. Now we enter at the right click, data, add data label. Also the orange one, right click, select that, sorry, right click, add data labels. Here we enter the percentage. A legend shows showing man and woman. Now we show the legends man and woman. Right click, select data, series 1, click on edit, woman, oh, sorry, man. In series first, man, okay. In series second, edit, woman. Then give okay. After all these things, give okay. Now come on step 15, format the value axis scale to display a minimum value of 0%, maximum value of 100%. Select this, right click, select data, sorry, not select data, right click, format axis. Here is maximum up to 1.0, minimum up to 0.0. then give OK. It should be adjusted in a 0% up minimum and maximum up to 100%. Now come on step 16. Insert the chart after the paragraph ending paragraph ending are more unpopular with women. Now we find the paragraph in the file MS Review. Control F, enter here, enter here. Sorry, enter here. Here is the paragraph. Insert the chart after this paragraph. Now we copy the chart, right click, copy, insert after this, click enter and paste here. Adjust this. These all things are clearly visible in this chart. The chart and all data fetched within the column with all data labels are displayed in full with no overloop. Now we've checked the chart bar. This is clearly visible. Now we come on step 17. Import the image J2122 ski.jpg and place it in the paragraph beginning. The running is contested. The running is contested. Copy this to find this paragraph. Do Control F. Enter here. Now we import the image ski.jpg at the beginning of this paragraph. Click on Insert Image. This device. Here is the image. Click Insert. Crop the image only the bottom third, most of the snow below the skaters. Now we crop the image up to skaters. Crop. Format the cropped image so that it is resized to a width of 4 centimeter with no distortion. Now we adjust this format width up to 4 centimeter. Width up to 4 centimeter. So it should be in 4 centimeter. It is aligned to the left of the column and top of the paragraph starting. The running is contested. Work test around the image. Open the file, do work text, ting. So it should be in right way. Now come on step 18 is spell checking and proofread the document. Now we do the spell check, review spelling and grammar. I think this is not a mistake. Make sure that the list and chart are no split over columns or pages. There are no window or orphans. There are no blank pages. Style are allied consistently. No changes have been made to MS body style. Spacing and is consist between all items. Now we save this document and after the check these information the text are applied and doing correct all informations and all steps are do in correct way. After this save this document, then print it.